Good morning. In the previous section, we saw what is the definition of random process and the classification and the problem. We saw the problem. So let us continue the problem. That is P of x of t is given and we have to show that it is not stationary. So let us find mean. E of x of t equal to n equal to summation n p of n. N takes the value 0 to infinity. So now run the summation, we will get 0 p of 0 which is 80 by 1 plus 80 plus when n equal to 1, 1 into p of 1 that is 1 by 1 plus 80 square. When n is equal to 2, 2 into 80 by 1 plus 80 cube. So the first term 0 into anything is 0, 1 by 1 plus 80 square, 2 into 80 by 1 plus 80 cube. In this sequence, you take 1 by 1 plus 80 square common. So we get 1 plus 280 by 1 plus 80 plus 380 by 1 plus 80 whole square. So let us now denote 80 by 1 plus 80 equal to alpha. So 1 by 1 plus 80 square equal to 1 plus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha square plus etc. So this is the sequence, the result we have 1 minus alpha power minus 2. Now substitute the value of alpha, we get 1 by 1 plus 80 square, 1 minus 80 by 1 plus 80 whole power minus 2. So which is equal to 1 by 1 plus 80 square. Taking LCM, we get 80 will get cancelled and 1 plus 80 power minus 2. So rearranging the reciprocal, we get 1 plus 80 square will get cancelled and E of xt equal to 1 which is a constant. So we get the mean as constant. In order to prove it is not stationary, we will go for variance. Before finding variance, we need a value of E of x square of t equal to n square. So which is expanded as summation n equal to 0 to infinity n square p of n. So summation n equal to 0 to infinity n square is written as n into n plus 1 minus n p of n. Summation n equal to 0 to infinity n into n plus 1 p of n minus summation n equal to 0 to infinity n p of n. Now round the summation, when n takes the value 0, the full term becomes 0. When n takes value 1, it is 1 into 2, 80 by 1 plus 80 square. Plus when n equal to 2, it gets 2 into 3, 80 by 1 plus 80 cube, etc. And we already found out the value of summation n equal to 0 to infinity n p of n. It is nothing but it is a mean. The value of mean is 1. Now, in this sequence, you take 2 by 1 plus 80 square as common. So, when we take 2 by 1 plus 80 square, we get 1 plus 380 by 1 plus 80 plus 680 square by 1 plus 80 square plus etc. minus 1. So let us now denote 80 by 1 plus 80 as alpha. So we get 2 by 1 plus 80 square, 1 plus 3 alpha plus 6 alpha square etc. minus 1. So this is the secant result is 1 minus alpha whole power minus 3. Now substitute the value of alpha, we get 2 by 1 plus 80 square into 1 minus 80 by 1 plus 80 whole power minus cube minus 1. Taking LCM, the LCM is 1 plus 80. So numerator become 1 plus 80 minus 80. 80 will get cancelled. 1 by 1 plus 80 whole power minus 3. So 2 by 1 plus 80 square, 1 plus 80 whole cube. So cancelling, we get 2 into 1 plus 80 minus 1. 2 plus 280 minus 1 which is equal to 1 plus 280. So E of x square is 1 plus 280. We need to calculate variance. We know the formula for variance, E of x square minus E of x whole square. So E of x square we calculated as 1 plus 280 and E of x mean is calculated as 1. So 1 plus 80 square minus 1. 1 will get cancelled. So we get variance equal to 280, which is not a constant. It is a function of t. So the given function is not a stationary process. Thank you.